Okay guys, today I'm gonna be the star guest on his channel. We've got this car, came in for a carbon clean. It's got an EGR fault. The fault code is P0401. I asked the big boss. So the owner of this car came from, I don't really know where, but he drove 5 hours to get here. He booked a hotel, so he left the car. So he's the first owner of this car. I'm not sure what's the mileage. I'm just gonna quickly have a look. So it's got 78, almost 79,000 miles. He changed the exhaust pressure sensor himself. Also, it's got a new belt fitted a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, no one really touched the car. He said he's very happy with the car. The first 3 years he never had any issue, and then slowly he had a couple of issues. But that's the first bigger issue, which is the carbon clean. I can see someone touched the injectors before, but probably they just changed the top line. There is no sign for any leak. The coolant is on the low side. Yeah. I'm just gonna quickly disassemble the car, or actually I might gonna ask him, because he's not so busy as you can see. And then we're gonna show you the results, how the carbon looks like.
So here is the car after I disassembled it. From the carbon build-up side, it is there. It has 80,000 miles on the clock. No surprise, to be honest. However, have a look at this. It is beautiful, very frequent oil changes, looking good. Surprise, surprise, the camshaft is not worn. Guys, this is a textbook example how it's supposed to look like. So congratulations to the owner. He saved a lot of money for himself, and we advise him or recommend him just to keep doing what he's been doing already. It's been great so far. So what's gonna happen now? We're going to clean the injector hose, fit the new washers, clean the surface, the mating surface of the cylinder head, fit the new valve cover gasket, the valve cover, all the bits. Then we're going to get done the carbon cleaning, and the car can go back to the owner. He can collect it after his stay here. Hopefully that will be enjoyable for him as well. He will see the city or the village. It's quite nice area here. So that's it. I'm going to show you obviously the results of the carbon cleaning or walnut blasting, how the parts look like and how the ports look like. So we have finished with the carbon cleaning. Let's have a look at the results. Also with the bore scope. Yeah, so the valve, the lap of the valve is clean as well. Now I'm going to assemble it back together. I'll show you the parts, how they are cleaned, and in the meanwhile Dan is going to finish or get the carbon cleaning done on that one. And here are the parts, guys, just for you to see like how clean we get them. This is the intake manifold, the EGR, intake shutter valve, and the EGR cooler bypass valve, and the other half of it. So I'm going to assemble these parts together and then fit it onto the Mazda CX-5. Switch the engine on, turn it on, start it up, bleed the cooling system, and we are done with this one.